Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about TIA Portal version 17, how to use the scale and unscale with the PLC S7-300 for input, analog input and output module. Okay. And here is the scale block that we can use to convert the analog input signal to the actual value of the electrical devices, or we can scale another value that we want. Okay, and I will use the TIA Portal version 17 to hardware configuration and create the program blocks for test. Okay, and before go to create the new project, I would like to explain about how to select the hardware for this module because it has many options that we can use. Example, we can use connect directly with the module such as PT100 RTD or thermocouple or voltage DC or current DC also. Okay. So we need to know about how to select the hardware selection. So let's go to see the hardware selection option that I will show. So here is the analog input module model SM331 7KF02 0A B0 that I already show here. So there are four options that we can select. The option A we can use with the PT100 or RTD or thermocouple. If we rotate A to here, yes, here is the selection. Let's see here. And if we rotate the B option to this position, we can use with the volt input. Example 2.5, 5 volt DC, 1 to 5 volt, or we can use 0 to 10 volt. Yes. And if we rotate the C selection to this position, we can use with the 4-wire current loop. Yes. And if we choose the D option, we can use 2-wire current loop also. Okay. So there are 8 channels for this analog input module, but we have option of wiring need to know also. Yes. And in this video I will show how to use the unscale and scale with this tool. I will use the current loop calibrator and RTD calibrator to set or sort the signal to the module, and then use the multimeter to measure the current output from the analog output. Okay. So let's go to next slide. I will show about how to wiring. So here is the three options about how to wiring of this module, because wiring is very important. If we cannot wiring, we cannot test the module also. Okay, so we need to know about how to wiring. So option number 1, we can use a channel of analog input with the address default address PIW256 until PIW270. Okay. And if we use like this, we can use a channel, but we have another option to wiring with the connection If we would like to connect the PT100 RTD or thermocouple to this module, we can also connect directly, and we must follow the drawing like this. So we can use only 4 channels if we connect directly from PT100 or RTD to this module. Okay, so this different. We can use current or volt input. We can use 8 channel, but if we use RTD or TC directly, we can use only 4 channel. Okay, and this one is similar to be option number 2. We can use RTD for all channel, so we can use only 4 channel also. Okay, so I will go to highlight about how to create the project and then how to create or use the scale and unscale. Okay, so let's go. So here is the TIA Portal version 17, and I already installed in my PC. And before go to create the project, I already create the new folder here, PLC S7-300 scale tutorial, and then we can open the TIA Portal. And then we need to create the new project, right? But right now I already create the project, so I can open. I would like to inform that this video just highlight about how to do it, and I will show the full tutorial in the next video. Yes, so let's go with me first. Okay, I will open the project. So first we need to create the hardware configuration by push or double click this one, right? And then after that we can go to the hardware configuration here. And then we must follow my slide that I already show about the PLC. So this is a CPU 314C2PN/DP. Yes, here. And here is the built-in input and output. And here is the new input, analog input that I already insert from here. AI 12-bit. Yeah, we just click, drag and drop to the rack, and then we will got like this. Okay, after that let's go to right click and then property. Okay, I will zoom out a little bit. Okay, we can go here and then property. So we need to select the same as the option that I already show. So there are 4 options. So channel number 1, I will select to option C. Yeah, let's see, selection module to C. Yes, selection module to C. It means that the 4Y transducer. Yes. So 4 to 20 milliamp. And for channel number 2, I also select to 4Y. And for channel number 3, I will connect to with my RTD calibrator. So I will select to thermal. Yes, RTD. and choose this one with the standard rank. And for channel number 6, I also select to PG100. Okay. And for analog output, I will use the built-in here and then select to current. Okay. After that, we can download the hardware configuration, or we can go to create the block. We can use the scale. Okay, first we can use the scale. We can go to the instruction here and then go to conversion operation. We can drag and drop the scale from this one to this, and then we can go hell to see the instruction by press F1 on keyboard, and then we will got the instruction of scale. Yes, of scale here, and then we can read anything from this instruction. Okay, after that we can fill the parameter. Example, I use this one to show the current of motor that rank from 0 to 280 M. So I will set this one 0, this one 280, and this one is analog signal from the PLC module, and this one we can define the text or address that we want to show on the HMI or SCADA. Yes, and for also the temperature of motor, I will convert from integer to double integer, and then I use this address, and then I will convert from double integer to real, because we cannot convert from directly from integer to real, so I will convert like this, and then I will divide it by 10, and then we will got the actual temperature. Okay, and for the start and stop the motor, I use the sample. Yes, example like this, and then turn on the output. Yes, and for the UNSCALE, for set the frequency of the motor to VFD, example 0 to 50 Hz. So we can use from here, drag and drop from here to the network, and then we can also press F1 to see the instruction. Yes, F1 to see the instruction. We will go like this, and we can read the instruction. Yes, after that we will go like this, and we can fill the address, and then we can go to add the HMI device by double click this one, and then we will got like this. Yes, and check the connection. Make sure the HMI was connect between PLC and HMI. Okay, after that we can download the PLC block to the PLC. Yes, the program to the PLC, so we can compile first before download, and then we can download the hardware and software configuration to the PLC. During download, we need to stop the CPU a little bit. Yes. Okay, I push load to stop, and then restart the CPU again. And then we can online to see the status. Okay, good. After that, we can go to design the screen. Yes, design the screen here. So the first one is show the current of the motor, right? That we already use the scale to convert from analog input to the actual current. The second one is show the temperature of the motor here. I already convert, yes. And the third one is set the frequency, yes, of the motor. Sorry, this one frequency. Yes, frequency of the motor. And here we can use the input, right? Input to browse the text that we already created on the PLC text here. Yes, insert from here. Because when we create the block and we define the text will generate automatically to here, and then we can use it. Okay. And for the current motor or temperature of motor, the same. Yeah, we can choose from the PLC text. And we need to design the motor. I insert from this feature here, and then we need to configure. Sorry, we need to configure the button start and stop and show the status. After that, we can simulation. Yes. So wait for simulation. Okay. Wait for compile and then simulation. And then we can go to main. Okay, let's see here. Right now I already connected the current loop calibrator and RTD calibrator to the PLC module. That's why this one show the status, right? So if I would like to start the motor, yes, I can start from here. Let's see, this one should be run. Yes, running. And then this one we can go to the current loop calibrator, and then we can increase or decrease. Yes. So right now it's so around 210 M. Because I select to 16 milliamp. So if I adjust 12 milliamp, let's see the value decrease. Yes, 8 milliamp. And this is a RTD calibrator. So if I decrease, let's see the temperature is decreased also. 27, 100. Yes. And if you would like to set point, let's see right now the milliamp show around 12 milliamp because I set 25 Hertz. So if I set 50 Hertz, 12 milliamp. Yes. If I set 36. Yes, so it worked perfectly between PLC and HMI. Yes, so this is just highlight about how to create the scale and unscale to use with the PLC S7-300 by using the TIA Portal. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in the next video I will show the full tutorial about how to do this project. And now I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.